By 2025, the data science industry in India alone is predicted to skyrocket to $16 billion. But what exactly is data science? And how can you become a data scientist? Today, we'll break it down step by step, showing you the roadmap to success in this booming field. Ever noticed how Netflix always seems to know what movie you'll like next? Or how your phone autocorrects your typos? That's data science at work, collecting, analyzing, and extracting insights from massive amounts of data to make our lives easier. It's the invisible force behind personalized experiences and smarter technology. Data science is more than just numbers. It's about finding patterns in data and using them to solve real-world problems. Think of it as a combination of art and science, where creativity meets technology. It's the perfect blend of analytical thinking and innovative problem-solving, making it a dynamic and exciting field. The process of data science involves three main steps: collecting data, analyzing it, and extracting valuable insights to solve business problems. This is where your journey as a data scientist begins. Each step is crucial, as it transforms raw data into actionable intelligence that can drive decision-making. First, you'll need to master programming languages like Python, the go-to for data science. You'll also need a strong foundation in statistics and data visualization, turning complex data into easy-to-understand visuals. These skills are the building blocks of your data science toolkit, enabling you to tackle diverse challenges. Data visualization is crucial, because no one wants to read through endless tables. Instead, we create powerful visuals, graphs, charts, and dashboards that communicate insights at a glance. Effective visualization can tell a story, highlight trends, and make complex data accessible to everyone, from executives to end users. Next up is machine learning. This is where the magic happens, where machines learn from data to predict outcomes and make decisions. Imagine building a model that can predict stock prices or even identify fake news. Machine learning is the engine that powers intelligent systems and drives innovation. But learning theory isn't enough. The best way to master data science is by doing. Work on real-world projects, like analyzing Twitter data to spot trends or building your own recommendation system. Practical experience is invaluable, as it hones your skills and prepares you for real-world challenges. Your projects could even get published, making you a standout candidate for top jobs. Imagine adding a published project to your resume, one that demonstrates your ability to solve complex problems creatively. Showcasing your work not only boosts your credibility, but also opens doors to exciting career opportunities. Ready to dive into the world of data science? Start learning today, and who knows, you could be part of the next big innovation. If you want more videos on artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science, let us know in the comments. See you in the next video.